Interested in earning passive income through affiliate marketing? Imagine a world where you can generate revenue while you sleep or while you take that much-deserved vacation. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, that's the power of affiliate marketing. First up on the list is Hercules.com. This platform is a goldmine for affiliate marketers. It's an email marketing service that allows affiliates to earn from promoting their products or services. How does it work? Simple. You promote, they pay. Every time a sale is made through your referral, you earn a commission. Remember, the key to success here is to know your audience and cater your promotions to them. Next, we have freebitco.in. This might sound unconventional, but yes, you can earn passive income through a Bitcoin faucet. For the uninitiated, a Bitcoin faucet is a reward system in the form of a website or app that dispenses rewards in the form of a Satoshi, which is 1/100th of a millionth Bitcoin. As an affiliate, you are paid for every user who arrives on the site through your referral and makes a claim. Moving on to infinitytrafficboost.com. This platform is a traffic exchange system that offers affiliates a chance to earn passive income by promoting their traffic exchange service. The more traffic you drive, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. Fourth on the list is listinfinity.net. This is an email marketing service similar to Hercules.com, but with a twist. Here, you earn not only when someone purchases through your referral, but also when they sign up for the service. So the potential to earn is doubled. Last, but certainly not least, is leadsleap.com. This platform offers a unique blend of traffic exchange and social review services. As an affiliate, you earn every time a user signs up for their service through your referral and also when they upgrade their membership. To summarize, these affiliate programs offer a variety of ways to earn passive income. Whether it's through email marketing services like Hercules.com and listinfinity.net, a Bitcoin faucet like freebitco.in, a traffic exchange system like infinitytrafficboost.com, or a combination of services like leadsleap.com, there's something for everyone. Remember, the key to a successful affiliate marketing journey is to understand your audience, choose the right platform, and promote effectively. It's time to start your journey towards financial freedom. Visit affiliateincome.top for more information. And that, dear friends, is a wrap. Go ahead, take the plunge and let the world of affiliate marketing take you on a journey of financial independence and success. Remember, the only limit is the one you set for yourself.